This LG washer doesn't work. When the power is connected and I press the power button, nothing happens. Whichever button I press, nothing happens. Even if I unplug it and press and hold the power button for 6 seconds, and press and hold the start button for 6 seconds, then plug it back in, it should be resetted, but it did not work for this one. But we found that when you spin it, the light will flash once and you will hear a little music play. If you want to fix it, you should replace the resistor from the circuit board. First, you should take off the top and take off the circuit board from the inside. This is the circuit board, and we take a picture of it and take it out. The circuit board looks like this. This is where the resistor is, but my dad took it off already. The resistor looks like this. Now we replace it with a new one using solder. This is the new resistor, 5 watts, 4 ohms, 7 joules, and you can find it on eBay for $2 a pair. We are now done replacing the resistor. Now we connect the circuit board back to all the wires. Now let's test if we have fixed it.
Yoo-hoo!